Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Adventure Built. My name is Kelly.
I'm Trevor.
And we just finished the Arizona Backcountry Discovery Route and we are in Utah. So when in Utah, do a Utah trail.
Yep, and so we are north of Lake Powell, doing a nice little trail that is gonna put us on a campsite right off the lake.
Yeah, so we'll call this the Tour of Glen Canyon because there is a name of this trail, but I don't know what it is. It's just a BLM trail.
Yeah, I'm excited about checking it out. Gonna get some good views of the lake and get wet.
Yeah, this is definitely not going to be a technical trail.
No.
However, we are camping on Lake Powell tonight, which is going to be super awesome. I've never done that before.
Nope.
And it's going to be a little challenge to get there. I'm pretty sure it's super deep sand and it's going to be a little bit treacherous, but
yeah,
we're going to make it happen.
Let's do it.
Stay tuned. Right now we're traveling through Glen Canyon and this road is not hard at all. It's really a well-traveled BLM road and this is really the surface of the moon.
Yeah, yeah. One small step for overlanding.
Super, almost just like that.
It's a little windy, but it's really nice.
Yeah, it's super cool. This ground is odd. It's crusty and then you get underneath it and there's a fine layer of soft underneath it. But Lake Powell is right over there. You can't see it right now, but the north side of Lake Powell is right there. And we're just moving along. I mean, this is really fast going. I'm hoping that it gets a little bit more scenic because this right now is just a lot of desert scenery.
Yeah, but still cool. I like it.
Yeah, very different, very Utah.
Very Utah.
I feel like we're really just immersing ourselves in Utah right now.
Yep. Maybe we should get married to more wives.
All the wives.
All the wives.
Let's go.
No idea what I'm saying.
Just like normal.
Yep.
We had a little change of plans. The intended road was 36 miles long. It really wasn't a trail. It was just a Forest Service road, a BLM road. And it just kind of did a tour of the north side of Lake Powell. The trail description said that there was great scenes of Lake Powell, but we haven't seen a single one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a little bit discouraging. It's kind of boring after all the cool little rocky stuff back there. So we're actually going to cut that part a little short to save ourselves a lot of boring, and it's getting a little later in the day anyway. We made a right turn at Warm Creek Bay, and we're going to camp near Olson Point. Right? Olson Point, yeah. So it's a really cool area to camp. Should be right on the water, and it'll give us time to play in Lake Powell.
Yeah, and this road is like the smoothest dirt road I've ever been on.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, you can bring a Prius on this thing.
Thank God we aired down for that.
Yes.
Actually, we aired down for this next part here.
I hope so. I hope so.
So the trail description for this next part to get down to Olson Point, or Olson Point, is
Awesome Point.
The last 2 miles are a little rugged, a lot of deep sand, and we're going through some pretty tight canyons. So hopefully it's cool.
Yeah, hope so.
All right, let's see what it looks like.
Do it.
This is definitely a when in Rome scenario. You can go higher.
Show my flex.
All right, go ahead, you back out. Nicely done.
Woohoo!
Pretty sure I got higher though. Just saying. Woo! All right, he might have actually gone a little higher. He has a lot more travel and flex that I do. Long wheelbase is what it is. But on to Awesome Point. We made it to camp, but we never made it to Awesome Point.
Well, technically we did, went past it, but where we're at on the map, we're actually in the water.
Yeah.
So with the water level being so low, all the maps are gonna be a little off. However, one of the good things coming on a Sunday is
no crowds.
None.
Yeah, so we're out here pretty much on our own. There's a group over here.
Nope.
Oh no, they left. They all left.
Everybody left.
I was not paying attention. I was too busy eating Cheez-Its and didn't even notice them packing up.
Yeah, no, we are the only people out here on the beach, and it is secluded. It is beautiful. We just watched the sunset, little alpenglow on all the cliffs and everything, and it was gorgeous.
Yeah, Lake Powell really is very beautiful. The water is super warm. There's not a lot of beach line. We're on the north side, so there's not a lot of crowds. It's Sunday, so it's just not busy, and right here, got the place to ourselves.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. So the plan for tomorrow is, well, we're getting ahead of ourselves. Tonight, we're gonna hang out. We're just pretty much gonna hang out with the family and just chill.
Literally the longest time that we've ever been at a camp. I don't think we've ever been to a camp this early.
Yeah, we got here like 3, before 3.
Yeah, normally it's like sunset.
Tomorrow we're gonna wake up and we're gonna head out the way we came, and that's pretty much gonna be the end of the trip.
Yeah, and long way back all the way to south.
Yep. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.